Welcome to ScriptWriter Pro, the all-in-one AI-powered tool that helps you create high-quality video scripts in minutes. Whether you're running a YouTube channel, a faceless video page, or producing content at scale, this tool is built to write in your style, learn your voice, and generate scripts automatically. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through 3 simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open the tool and activate your API key. When you first open ScriptWriter Pro, you'll see a login screen. To use the tool, you'll need to activate it with an API key. The tool supports 5 major AI providers, so you can choose the one that fits your budget and quality needs. Here are your 5 options. Option 1, DeepSeek. This is the most affordable choice, starting at just 27 cents per million input tokens. Great for high-volume content creation. Get your key at platform.deepseek.com. Option 2, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Excellent multilingual support and high-quality output. Get your key at platform.openai.com. Option 3, Grok by xAI, the most creative and cutting-edge model. Get your key at console.x.ai. Option 4, Claude by Anthropic, outstanding creativity and nuanced writing. Get your key at console.anthropic.com. Option 5, Gemini by Google, a strong, reliable option from Google. Get your key at istudio.google.com. To get your API key, visit the provider's website, create a free account, go to the API section, and click Create New Key. Copy that key, paste it into ScriptWriter Pro, and you're ready to go. Once your key is active, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Step 2. Create your writing style file. Now here's where the magic happens. ScriptWriter Pro learns your writing style, and writes scripts that sound exactly like you. To do this, you need to provide sample scripts that represent your content style. These are real scripts you've already written, or scripts from channels you want to replicate. Here's a quick and easy way to get sample scripts from YouTube *. Go to the website, youtubetotranscript.com. Paste the URL of any YouTube video into the search bar and hit Get Transcript. The site will extract the full spoken transcript of that video, which you can copy and use as a sample script. Grab 3 to 5 transcripts from videos that match the style you want, whether that's news, storytelling, movie recaps, or any other genre the tool supports. Once you have your samples, here's what to do inside ScriptWriter Pro. First, create a folder on your computer, for example, name it My Training Scripts. Second, save each transcript as a plain text file inside that folder. Third, in the tool, click the Train Folder button and select your folder. Finally, click Style Training, and the AI will analyze all your samples and build a unique writing style file, saved as a .dat file. This file is your creative DNA, and the tool will use it every time it writes a new script for you. Step 3. Generate a new script from your style. Now you're ready to write your first script. Inside the tool, here's what to set up. Select your mode. The tool offers over 35 content modes, from movie recap, true crime, and horror, to health, travel, business, sports. Pick the one that matches your channel. Set your language. The tool supports 30+ languages and cultural writing styles, including English US, English UK, Vietnamese, Korean, Japanese, Spanish, and many more. It doesn't just translate, it writes natively in the tone and rhythm of that culture. Add a sample script. In the sample script field, point to one of your example scripts. This gives the AI a reference point for the specific episode you want to write. Enter your prompt, optional, if you want a specific topic or style direction. For example, write in a dramatic narrator voice or focus on a real historical event from 1945, type it in the prompt box. Set your script length. The default is around 15,000 characters, but you can adjust this up or down depending on your video length. Hit Generate Script. The tool will start writing, and in a few moments, your new script will appear in the output folder, ready to hand to your voice AI or narrator. You can even generate multiple scripts at once using the multi-thread feature, perfect for batch production. And that's it, 3 steps to go from zero to a fully written, personalized script. Open the tool, activate your API key, build your style file, and start generating. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's build something amazing.